They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. So in this video I'm going to just be talking briefly on how I got this look, but first I want to talk about the new product that I have on my website. It's this hair growth oil, massive hair growth oil. It makes your hair grow really fast, and it also smells really nice. And now I apply it for all my clients when I remember. So I've been doing this more often than I used to, but now, like, whenever you book an appointment with me, I always apply it for my client. And it also helps when you have like dandruff or like just dry scalp and stuff like that. It does help a lot. I use it on myself as well, and I also use it for my clients, and I do get really good reviews from my clients. And sometimes they will probably just get some as well, and then they'll probably they usually come back for more. So I do have a link to the oil in my description box, as well as the edge control that I use for this hairstyle as well. So yes, that's just first. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for clicking. So now we're going to get back into the tutorial as soon as I am done oiling, as soon as I'm just done with this part. So first, for this hairstyle, all I needed was about 7 packs of the Sprinkless hair, aka bundles, aka packs. So just, I call them packs, bundle, the same thing. And we have one pack has about 30 strands, so I only used about, again, 6 to 7 counts of aka bundles of Sprinkless hair. And for my clients wants free parts. So for my free parts, if you watch all my video, I always start my free parts like this. I would just start like this, and then I'm just gonna spread out and just keep reading as you go. So people have asked me which one saves more time, comparing them to boxes and free parts. And I would say free parts because for boxes you have to like make your straight line, like your rectangle line, and then you have to like put your edge control, make sure that long straight line is clean, and then you have to make your boxes. But for this one, you just part and you braid as you go. So there's no definite shape, there is no definite line. As long as it just looks clean and smooth, then you are good to go. So I prefer doing, and I really do think that if you like to like style your hair like freestyle-ish wise, free part is awesome. But if my clients want a middle part or a side part, I still give them the straight line side part as they want, but I do it in a way whereby every other thing is free parts. But then if you want a middle part, I'm going to give it to you. So before you make your part, you want to apply your edge control first, and then just brush through, and then you start making your part. I had about, I want to say, 54 counts of the Sprinkless hair 54 counts of Locs for my clients. If your client has fine hair as my client, you can either braid it natural hair. The only reason why I feel very confident in braiding my client natural hair as it is because their hair is long. But sometimes you have client that has like fine hair and their hair is like short, so I would advise you braid with kinky hair, just to give their hair some type of like strength, so that, because again, the Sprinkless hair is kind of, it's not slippery, it's soft. It's soft and it's lightweight, and then you have another soft and lightweight. So you don't want it to unravel, or you don't want to be scared if it's going to unravel or not. So you want to just use Sprinkless kinky or Mali hair to make the foundation of your client's braids. And also use a very good edge control. Like, this edge control works so much. As you can see, the hair is literally like standing. That is because the edge control that I'm using is so magical. I do have links to edge control in my description box as well. The edge control, and also the rat tail comb, and as well as the magnetic wristband, which is the pink thing that you can see on my wrist right now. That is where I apply my edge control on, so I don't have to keep going back and forth to my edge control container. So I'm going to do that for the rest of my client's hair. And now I am done. I'm just counting the braids, and I already told you guys I had about 54 counts of braids. So let's talk about the locks before I even start. So for one lock, I want to say you could use in between 4 to 5 strands, or 3.5 to 5 strands. The reason is that when you start at the back, the back is closer to your client's shoulder, so you might end up using like lesser strands, but then when you get to the top and like the middle and all that, so you probably will end up using more, let's say about 4 to 5, just because you want it to get to that length, and it's just longer. If it's just longer measuring from the top to the bottom compared to like bottom to bottom, if that makes sense, like bottom to like the shoulder, that makes sense. So like for this first 3 braids, I'll probably like start with like 1.5 strands of the spring twist hair, or I'm going to start with like 2 strands, and then I'll probably end up finishing with 1 strand, so 1.5 strands. The reason why I say 1.5 or 2 strands is because sometimes 1.5 strands is as full as 2 strands. You get what I mean? So that's the only reason. Like right now, I'm starting with 1.5 strand, and right now I'm just kind of like measure it to make sure that we're on the same length before I start making my loop and just start wrapping. And if you pay attention, you're gonna see that I'll only have to use this one and then another piece of hair to seal the ends. But it's not gonna be the case as I get to the top, is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so when I was done, I did use the hot water to massage my client's hair. Hot water helps your client locks to be really, really soft. It's already soft and lightweight, but it just makes like softer and just more lightweight and more flexible when they can like literally like move it and go to the gym and all that stuff like from day one. That's the reason why I use the hot water. And again, of course, hair mousse if you want to. It's not really needed, but of course if you want to, and also the hair oil, because again, it's a new hair, so it could easily I don't know how to explain it, but it's new, so you want to apply the hair oil just to keep it safe and keep it healthy. And yeah, and if you have any questions, let me know, of course. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding at the think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the think so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me your say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Fake Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty bad man too. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place.
She said no, 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 no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place.
She said yeah,
bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
no, 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 no.
Bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place.
She said yeah,
bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they really your number one I control. So they really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no.
Bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place.
She said yeah,
bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the
It's
vibe.
fake kills.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking, I don't think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing, I don't think so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. I'ma make you sweat.
It's Faux.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bumbuck like them I watch it. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's Faux.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga, say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Faux.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know.